Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to Healthy Food Recipes. Today we are going to make very tasty and delicious, that's beef tikka karahi. So if you people like this recipe, do subscribe my channel, give me thumbs up and hit the bell icon too. So let's have a look at the ingredients. But first we have to dry roast some of the ingredients to get very delicious flavor. By taking white cumin seeds 2 teaspoons. Now add carom seeds 1 teaspoon, coriander seeds 2 teaspoon, and now dry roast all of these ingredients for 10 to 15 seconds at low flame. Now put these dry roast ingredients in mortar. You can see that the color of these have changed a little bit. Now add black seed 1 teaspoon. Now ground it coarsely with pestle and mortar like this. So let's have a look at the ingredients. Grounded powder which we have made earlier, mayonnaise 2 tablespoon, salt 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, white synthetic vinegar 2 tablespoon, soya sauce 2 tablespoon, chaat masala 1 tablespoon, chili garlic sauce 2 tablespoon, and ginger and garlic almost 2 tablespoons. Now take a bowl and add grounded powder, salt 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, chaat masala 1 tablespoon or as per your taste. Then add white synthetic vinegar 2 tablespoon, adding soya sauce almost 2 tablespoon, mayonnaise 2 tablespoon. You can replace it with the curd if you don't have mayonnaise. Chili garlic sauce almost 2 tablespoon, and ginger and garlic paste 2 tablespoon. Now mix all these ingredients to make a batter. After mixing properly, it will look like this with a beautiful red color. You can see. So our paste is ready. Now take almost 1 kg of beef, washed and freshly cut, almost the size of 1 to 2 inches, because here we are not using any sort of meat tenderizer. Our paste will do this work. Now start adding beef cubes in the prepared mixture. You can see the size of these cubes closely here. Now apply paste to all of the beef cubes evenly and mix it very well. It will look like this after mixing it all. Now cover it with the lid and marinate it for overnight or almost 5 to 6 hours approximately. So now you can see after marinating it for almost 8 hours. Check it out how it looks like. Add half cup of oil. Add the marinated mixture in it. Now cover it with the lid for 15 minutes at medium flame. After 15 minutes, you can see meat has left a lot of water. Now cover it again with the lid and switch the flame to low position for almost half an hour. Now you can see water has almost reduced and meat is almost done. So at this point, add tomatoes, almost 3 to 4 half sliced, and put it like this. Now cover it again for 15 more minutes. Now remove tomato peels and discard them. Now at this point you can use a masher or do like this. Now add green chilies 3 to 4 cut from mid and give it steam for almost 10 to 15 minutes. So our yummy beef tikka karahi is ready to eat.
So if you like this recipe, do subscribe my channel, give me thumbs up and hit the bell icon too. Thanks for watching.